Hello friends, today we'll learn how to lock cells in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets in your web browser. Now, to lock these cells, you select all the cells you want to lock or a range of cells you want to lock. Then you click on the data tab at the top of the screen. You locate and click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. Now, at the right hand side of the screen, you'll be prompted to enter a description for your locked screen, for your locked cells. Then you click on the set permission to restrict anyone who can edit this range. So you click on it and you select it to only me or only you. Then you click on done. Now your changes have been saved and your cells have been locked. Only you can add or make changes in these cells. So now you have successfully locked cells in your Google Sheets. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.